Hey all, my name is Mr. Patel, 20C092. Today's topic is the Pleiades Supercomputers, which is used in the NASA's currently. So, overview is the introduction, system architecture, then operating environments, then uses of the supercomputers. So, let's talk about the introduction. What is a supercomputer? A supercomputer is a computer with a great speed and memories. You know that as the name suggests, supercomputers means a computer which has more power as compared to the others. We can perform very heavy tasks on them, like rendering some graphics and like simulations. This kind of computer can do jobs faster than any other computers of its generations. Means this is a has more power than other. They are usually thousands of times faster than our computer made at the time. It was introduced in the 1916s, so think about it's very old, but still it's very fast. Supercomputer speeds are measured in the floating point operations per second, means FLOPS flops. There is a this kind of type megaflops, giga, and teraflops. So, one of the world's most powerful and fastest supercomputer. This is a Pleiades. This is my topic. The supercomputer, which is currently working, is currently used by the NASA. Its predecessor Columbia was conceived and designed and developed in just only 120 days. So it's very not much huge. It had 10,240 processors and has 51,200 cores and this many nodes in this. And this is the photo of the supercomputer, how it look like in the NASA. And it could perform 63 trillions calculation per second. This is a huge amount. This is cannot perform by the like our computer. That's why it's very most powerful supercomputers. It has top speed of 487 trillions calculation per second. Okay, so the next is the system architecture. This is how it's look like. The manufacturer is SEI SPE. It has 158 racks, 11,207 nodes. Then this is the speed. This is a peak speed, like a P FLOP. P flop. It's as I said, FLOP, and P means the para. 7.09 p flops per second peak cluster, and this is the ranking by the LIN-PEC. This is a 5.95. This is the ranking of HPCG. Uh, in this supercomputer, it's ranked in 39 rank on June 2021. It has total CPU core 2 lakh for 41,000, so it's huge, right? And then the memory it's 927 terabytes, then 29 petabytes in the storage. And the main thing, why it's supercomputer and why it's uh, importance, because it has a 3 racks 83 nodes total, enhanced with an NVIDIA GPU, like graphics processing unit. You know, this is very important parts in these supercomputers. That's why we can perform very hard and very much, like we like as I said, rendering some graphics. We can easily see the 3D graph in these supercomputers. We can perform easily by with the help of this CPU. It has 6 lakh 14,400 CUDA cores, and this is the speed of it. Then next thing is operating environment. What are the like OS in it? Mostly in supercomputer they prefer the Linux base. So obviously this one is also the Linux enterprise server. Then job scheduler is Altair PBS professional. What are the compilers in it? It's Intel and GNU C and C++ and Fortran. MPI is HPE MPT. And the next is, what are the uses of these supercomputers? Why it chosen by the NASA? It's enabled to NASA scientists and engineers to conduct modeling and simulations for NASA's projects. As I said, NASA's want to like simulating the solar system and some modeling like how it's look like in the computer after creating that features and items. So this supercomputer can easily do with the help of the GPU, which is NVIDIA. Then the next is the it was made to study the origin of the solar system. Like this is a main point of this supercomputer. This is main important parts. Then it part of NASA's high-end computing capability HECC. This is the current working. This is a NASA's current working project and represents NASA's state-of-the-art technology for meeting the agency's supercomputing requirements. It's provide high range of power, enabling NASA's scientists and engineers to conduct high-field modeling and simulation for NASA's mission in Earth studios, and space science and aeronautic and much more. And the main thing is a human and robotic space exploration. That's why this supercomputer chosen by NASA. In conclusion, the technology represents a great leap forward in the history of the computer. This one make addition use of the graphics GPU. As I say, it has a NVIDIA GPU. As I said, okay, here, right? So it enhanced the power of these supercomputers, and this is a reference for you. If you want to see, you can just click on the link and you will transfer to this that actual NASA's link. You can get a lot of things. Okay, so let's see, this is the node detail. This is the entire detail like Broadwell nodes as well node. This is a very deeply. You can, if you want to learn, you can go ahead. Then GPU enhanced node, then subsystem, then interconnects, then operating environments. You can like refer this refer this link. Okay, then refer this link, and that's it. Thank you.